Rough Country's wheel-to-wheel Nerf Steps provide unrelenting style and easier access to your Jeep. These steps extend from one wheel well opening to the next, offering a clean install that lends to the look of your lifted Jeep. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, find both the driver and passenger side steps. Note, the forward steps on each side will be the furthest from the end of the main tube. Hold the driver's side step bracket against the pinch weld. One hole in each bracket will line up with an existing hole on the pinch weld. Mark the remaining holes with a marker. Now drill the marked holes with a 1/4 drill bit. Using the supplied bolts, install the step bar, starting with the bolts in the pinch weld, and then install the larger bolts on the underside of the vehicle using the threaded clips provided. Repeat this process for the passenger side of the vehicle to complete this installation. As you can see, these steps can be installed on your vehicle with or without a body lift. Our innovative design actually hides any exposed frame you see under the Jeep, offering extra protection for your rocker panels. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.